and this has turned and the same play. Oh my god, I'm recording. Oh my god. Let me get the bike. Let me get the strap. Let me get the strap. Let me get the strap. Good morning, my beauties. Happy Friday. How you guys doing? My name is Lady Yosh. For those of you who are new, welcome to my BeautienTreats channel. Today, I did my hair. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that, and just stay tuned. Okay, before I was rudely interrupted by the battery of this camera while I was doing my eyebrows, so I just decided, let me just charge my battery, do some work, and let's pick up where we left off. And I sort of like put on a shirt because we're not wearing a gown. I did shower, but sometimes, you know, when I'm working from home, I wake up, shower, like I'm getting ready to go to work, and then I just put on a gown and I sit and then I do my work. But anyway, I digress. I'm going to continue where I left off. The eyebrow routine, I might got change, it's still the same. I'm just gonna quickly brush my eyebrows and then I'm going to conceal them. I wanted to say I'll be using majority L'Oreal products. So I'm basically using a darker foundation shade to conceal my dark marks on my face, to act sort of like as a corrector, because I don't have a corrector and this works perfectly for me. So this is what I use. I'm just gonna finish off this look. I ended up not even using the I Go Wild eyeshadow palette, but I would like to accentuate my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna take this color over here, and then I'm just gonna place it on my lower lash line like that. Oh yeah, so basically, y'all remember my girl chat about me being single and whatever. So the girl's not single anymore, but anyway, it's still early days, so yeah, but so far so good. Girl is blushing. Yeah, but anyway, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Tell me what you guys think of this look. And yeah, I'm gonna put on this shimmer shade here as well. So remember, why is it dark? Ring light is faced the other way. There we go. So let's put that shimmer shade. And let's add a bit of that shade as well. There. I think this look is basically finished. I've been loving these eyelashes, these Kiss eyelashes in the style Sultry A. So the Puma Zinch. And yeah, so quickly gonna do that. Going to line my lips using my favorite, and I have this brown gorgeous lipstick. I think I'll put that on. And then, because I want to create like a nudish ombre effect, I usually take, that sounds like an email, I usually take a concealer. Oh, I want shine, so I'm gonna take my Rimmel London All My Gloss lip gloss. One last setting spray to set everything. Slightly fanny. Yes, really. It's the curls for me. It's the curls for me. That's my man calling. My beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys love it so much, because I really do, and I truly did enjoy spending time with you guys. Today I am going to just like obviously tidy up everything here, but I do want to say this: thank you so much to everyone who keeps supporting me, especially on my other socials. If you have not, please do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I am finally on TikTok, okay? So the link will be on the description box. Every product that I used will be on the description box as well. Do not forget to leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye!